Select, used to obtain values of specific columns and rows. So first our command is select. Select is for checking the table. We need to type the syntax. Select asterisk from products because this is our table name, and then semicolon. Then run. So as you can see, our table has 77 records. Insert. To add one or more record to any single table in a relational database, we need to type the syntax. Insert into products because this is our table name. Then the attributes, product ID, product name, and supplier ID, category ID, unit, and price. Then type the values. Before our record is 77. So example, we need to add 1. So we need to put 78. Then our product name, which is coffee. Then our supplier ID, for example 26. Our category ID 3, and unit, which is 50 boxes. Then example, the price is 180. Then run. So let's check. So as you can see, it has changes. Our records became 78. Update. So changes of the data of one or more records in a table. So for example, we wanted to change the data of product ID number 2. Update products, set product name, which is Anna Shop, our new data, which is our condition, product ID number 2. So as you can see, before our product name is Chang. So after changing the data, the product name number 2 is Anna Shop. Delete. Removes one or more records from a table. So let's try to delete the product ID number 2. So delete from products where condition is used to extract only those results from a SQL statement. Where product ID, which is number 2. Then let's try to check. So as you notice, the product ID number 2 has deleted. Alter, used to add and drop various constraints or an existing table. Alter table, products, add, example, inventory. Varchar is a variable length string data type. Not null means you can't insert new records. And default is to add all new records. Example, 25 boxes. So the inventory column was added. Drop, used to delete objects from a table. So drop is deleting table. So our syntax is drop table products, then run. Now the product was deleted in the database. Order by, used to sort the result set in ascending and descending order. For example, we wanted to arrange in ascending order. So select from products, order by product name, semicolon. As you notice, it's arranged alphabetically. In this case, we wanted to arrange in descending order. We wanted to arrange product ID in descending number. So select asterisk from products, order by product ID, descending. So as you can see, it starts with the product ID number 1, 2, 3, up to 77 records. So let's try to run. So now our product ID starts with 77 to 1. It arranged in descending order. SQL aggregate performs calculation on a set values and returns on a single value. In this case, we wanted to count supplier ID has greater than 1. Select count as my count from products where our condition supplier ID greater than 1. So it has 74. So in 77 records, it has 3 and the rest has greater than 1. Sum. We wanted to calculate the sum of price. So select sum price as my sum of price from products. Semicolon, then run. And that is our sum of price. This time, we wanted to calculate the average of price. Put our syntax, my average of price from products. And that's it. In minimum, let's find the lowest value. Select minimum supplier ID as my minimum of unit from products. So in maximum, the same as in the minimum. So change the syntax. Our maximum of unit is 29.